Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get higher resolution output with Nano Banana. The first thing I want you to do is go to your Gemini, open a new chat, okay? Come here, click on Tools, click on Create Images, make sure you have 2.5 flash enabled, and I'll use this prompt and I'll explain what is actually going on here. So I'll leave these keywords in the description as well as this prompt. And what we are doing, because currently the images are created or edited by Nano Banana in the Gemini interface, they're capped at a specific resolution. So you cannot directly prompt Nano Banana to give you a true output of 4K or 8K image. But what you can do is you can use keywords like photorealistic, ultra HD, hyper detail, crystal clear, cinematic lighting, things like this, shot on a 85mm lens. Okay, things like this help you give the highest possible level of internal detail by using these descriptive prompts. So I'll come back here to Gemini and I'll give in this prompt. Let's see what it ends up coming up with. So there we go. Let's wait for a few seconds. And now check this out. Look at the level of details that you get. Okay, just use these descriptive prompts and keywords I'll leave in the description, and that is how to get high resolution output with Nano Banana.